Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick get ready with me. Well, not quick, but just to get ready with me. I'm going to go for a nice neutral eye and maybe a dark lip and just see where it takes us. I haven't actually sat down in front of a camera and like talked for ages, so it feels really weird. I'm going to be first using the 4-in-1 Set and Mist by Tarte. I'm then gonna go in with the Tarte Water Foundation and pop this all over my So I have a lot of updates actually. I have like crazy, like I have like one nail randomly and like two here. And that's actually because in the month of February I studied to be a nail technician. So that's something new. It was super exciting. It's super time consuming, but it's like worth it in the end. So I actually have my first, I'm filming this on a Monday and I actually have my first 2 nail appointments tonight, so I'm super excited. And I only got like the cert yesterday, so that should be fun. This foundation like matches my skin tone perfectly. Well, maybe like from here perfectly. So it is really good. Gonna be going in with the Tarte concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I'm putting this is so dark. I'm gonna go in with Fair to highlight. There's such a big difference in these shades. I'm just gonna set all over with this Stay Matte by Rimmel. So I'm gonna do my eyes now since my base is like setting down. I'm gonna use the Dare to Create palette. And I'm just gonna be doing a really neutral look. I really love the Dare to Create palette, but it has no white to like set your like base. So I'm using this I'm using this Revolution palette, and it's the contour one, and I'm just using the shade right here. I'm gonna reapply some chapstick. I use the Carmex just because my lips are super dry, and if I'm using like a bold lipstick at the end, then it's good to have my lips hydrated. So the first shade I went in with was this big transition shade right here. I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here, just to deepen up the crease a little bit, but subtly. I'm going to be getting the transition shade on a smaller brush and just running it under my lashes. I'm then going to be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and then I'm going to just be popping on some lashes, and I'm just going to do this off camera just so it's a bit quicker. Okay, I'm back. I did my mascara, eyelashes and eyebrows while I was waiting for my things to dry. So now I'm going to go in with blush. No, I'm going to go in with bronzer and blush. So the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Hoola. And just going to get it on a big angled brush just to bronze up my face. The blush I'm going to go in with is called Thrilled by Tarte. And it has a super cute design on it. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just going to mix these two shades together. And I'm just going to get my finger with this one and just put it under my brow. Now, last but not least, and the main part of this show, I'm going to be trying out these new Revolution lip kits. So this is the new formula or whatever, and it's a matte lip kit and comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. So the packaging is really pretty. I really love this colour. So I'm first going to go in with, so the lip liner is super precise and pointy. So I'm going to go in and line my lips. Super smooth, it just glides on. The wand looks like this. I think this is gonna get on my teeth in like 3.5 seconds, but I think it's really pretty. It's not something I'd go for, and it's turning matte really quickly. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with the brand new video.